In court today, a judge ruled Amaro would have to continue wearing that GPS ankle monitor, likely for 6 months. Amaro has said that she did nothing wrong and was not abusive. The judge ordered her to return to court in May. I-70 clear and dry right now, which is a far cry from what it was almost a week ago during our major snowstorm. Rescue crews went to great lengths to save the life of those that were stranded in that storm. Your reporter in the mountains, Spencer Wilson, spoke with those rescuers about how they saved a woman who was trapped for more than a day.
You might remember the nightmare that I-70 became overnight from Wednesday into Thursday. Historic snowfall in Clear Creek County, and drivers found all the roads along I-70 impassable. That's why the Clear Creek County Sheriff's Office brought out one of their bigger tools, the snowcat. After tackling I-70, they attacked the side roads, like Highway 103.
And half of it hadn't been plowed, so there was like 4 foot of snow on that highway.
And a woman trapped in her car for the last 24 hours.
Melting snow for water, didn't have any food. Was trying to make it up to Winter Park.
She was trying to get around the I-70 closure, but her rerouted GPS took her and her rental car somewhere they never should have been.
Because the snow was coming all the way to up here, no car was making it up there, no snowmobile. This was the only thing that could go rescue her.
Thankfully, Colorado rescue crews are prepared for the worst, even if folks visiting Colorado are not.
Later in the evening, when we had got stuck and decided to turn around and came back, her car was just a bump in the snow. You couldn't even see it, so I don't think she would have probably made it another day.
It was a happy ending to what otherwise could have been a really tragic story, but serves as an important reminder. Sometimes there's no real way around the snow, no way to get where you need to go.
Don't be typing in any GPS coordinates that'll route you around I-70. If I-70 isn't passable, either are the other road areas.
In Clear Creek County, Spencer Wilson covering Colorado First.